Hi everyone, Gail here from Retail Resilient, and this is your social selling forecast for the week of October 17th through October 23rd. So my team and I are back from digital dealer and driving sales, and we had an amazing conference. We also found out that there is a lot of demand for TikTok information for auto dealers. We're hosting a webinar November 2nd. It is free for any auto dealers to sign up. It's for sales, service, and parts. And then afterwards, you're going to be offered a 7-week coaching series or coaching program for organic and paid TikTok, where your employees and your dealership personnel can learn from the experts and the best of the best. So click on our bio, send us your information, and we'll definitely help you out. But I'm very humbled and very grateful for all the people that came to our TikTok workshop to learn from us. Digital dealer and driving sales was a huge success. So if you're a vendor and you don't go, I would highly recommend you go. If you're a car dealer and you're not doing anything on TikTok or Instagram Reels right now, you're definitely missing the boat. So I just wanted to set the week off straight. You are in Q4. You have to make plans for the end of the year and for 2023. So make sure you have a TikTok strategy. If you don't, reach out to us. All right. I'll catch you on the next forecast.